Hi. We'll move on to the next in offer document is offer document. I think already I had a small introduction in the previous two slide, that is offer document. One more time I am going to be repeating it here. Offer document is a basic document which has to be prepared by a mutual fund company, that is AMC, before going to public for collecting the capital under any scheme. So it is very important. NFO, that is mean an offer. NFO can be done only through offer document. Without offer document, new fund process, I think new fund offer definitely not made by the company, because it has its own sanctity. And this offer document is very important. Why? Because it is going to be given a info, or maybe a lot of information towards the schemes to investor, by means of what is the nature of the scheme, what is the investment objective, what is the term of the particular scheme, and what is the core of the scheme and all. While you are going to be giving the info or understanding the info regarding all those things from the offer document, from the document, offer document for this particular content is named as the fundamental attributes. It is very important. When the fundamental attributes are is a defined one, if at all the company wants to or the AMC wants to change the fundamental attributes, then you have to get the investor approval. Without the investor approval, the fundamental attribute should not be get changed. If the investor are not interested to go for the fundamental attribute changes, then he is having the rights to get out from the scheme, which means he can go for the repurchase, and the repurchase there is no exit load is going to be charged by the company. And moreover, that particular changes, whatever it is made by AMC under the fundamental attributes, should have to get the permission from us, like it is in any offer document, and with SEBI. So without the SEBI's permission, no thing can be done it in their offer document. And even why it is so important, it is a basic. Even the post investment, the offer document can be referred to understand that the investment objective, the various commitments made by the AMC, and so on. A very important one in the mutual fund scheme is to be uh, let the buyer beware, which is called as there the KV temptar under the marketing scanner. What is the meaning of let the buyer beware means? Before making an investment, it is mandatory that investor has to read all those content relevant with the offer document. And after some time, once he's invested, and after some time something is went wrong and something is not to be wish of the particular investor, then the investor may not claim it. I'm not aware of all those things. Then the court of law or jurisdiction of law and the right says about that one, no such kind of the excuses given to the investor by saying that I am not aware. It is the duty and the responsibility of the investor before going to investment on the particular scheme should have to read all those information. These informations are going to be given in the two parts of the mutual fund offer document. One is scheme information document, which is going to be detailedly explain the various details of the scheme. And the second one document is there, the statement of additional information, which has the statutory information about the mutual fund that is offering the scheme. Technically speaking, statement of additional information is a part of the SID. So SID is top and followed by the SAI, like the act and the regulation. While the act means it is saying something defining, and regulation means how the act is going to be emphasized or how it is going to exercised. It is the regulation. Same way, SID, scheme information document, is telling about what is the scheme and how it is going to be, and the statement of additional information, how that scheme is going to be executed. That is there the statement of additional information. Most of the time, not most of the time, all the investors are not sophisticated and they are not expert in finance or law. So definitely, as such, we have discussed in earlier, the documents are always be in a simple language, and it should be the clear, concise, and easy to understand, and it's to be understandable by the investor. And I think again I will be precisely, I think, interested to say the one thing. Offer document is a very important a statutory document. This statutory document is concerned with here the fundamental attributes and an expectation of KV temptar, and it should be approved by the SEBI. If SEBI have any observation, already I have told you, if any observation, that observation has to be exercised carefully and getting the one more time the trustees approval, AMC's approval, and then it is going to be submitted with the SEBI for getting the things. Until otherwise, the offer document is vetted by SEBI, which is not formally known as the offer document.